AI is taking over everything. World Economics Forum is showing that 85 million people are going to lose their job. And people are not doing anything about AI. They're not researching. They're not even doing anything. They're not working on anything about AI. Well, as you can see, people are making excuses, useless excuses, I live in Africa, I can't do anything about AI. Doesn't matter you live in a third world country. Doesn't matter where you live in China, India, USA, Nigeria, Zambia, any part of country or the world, you can still use AI to make money. Like as you can see right now, guys, we are in Zambia and you can even do anything about AI. And some people are saying, no, what can I do about it? There's a lot of ways you can do to make money using AI. So you need to understand this, guys, because people are saying, no, I can go to college, and I'm going to university, I'm going to study engineering, and I'll start making money, and I'll start getting paid on government, and I will start having a source of income, and I will be living a good life. Well, by the time you are finishing university, engineering, by the time you are finishing the course or the college, you will be replaced by AI, because AI is advancing very, very quickly. You need to understand this, guys. AI is smart, it's very intelligent, it can do anything, it's very good at maths, it's very good at anything, it can write a script for you, it can do anything. So if you're not very, very careful, you are going to lose your jobs with AI. So you need to be very careful about AI. You need to start researching, what can I do to make money using AI? I've been sitting, me and my brother, we are sitting discussing, how are we going to make money using AI? And people are not doing this, they're just saying, I don't know anything about AI, I'm not going to make money on AI. And understand this is very, very a opportunity. This is a opportunity, that you have, guys. We are living in the opportunity world, because you can make money using AI just with your phone, with your laptop, or anything, any material that you have. You can start making money. You can just start editing long short videos, and long videos or short videos. You can start editing this and you can be making money using AI. And people can ask, like, what are the ways that I can use to make money? There's a lot of thousand ways you can use to make money, and I'm not going to talk a lot of ways, because you guys have a chance to get your phone, go on YouTube, go on any social media platforms and start searching, how do I going to make money using AI? And one of the best ways is content creation. You can start content creation, just start editing videos, and short videos. Doesn't matter if you are putting it on Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, you can make money on AI, because you're going to have views, you're going to have sponsorship, and you're going to have a lot of deals. You can make money through ads, a lot of ways you can make money. And if you're not going to start thinking about it, you're not going to start, researching about it, you're not going to do anything about it, you're going to be left behind, because the world is advancing very quickly. By the time you're going to start researching about AI, you're going to left behind. You're going to left behind, guys. So this is the only opportunity that you have, the time that you have to start researching about AI, and you can make money using AI.
And you have two binary choices: either being replaced on your job with AI, or using AI to make you a lot of money. A lot of people, they say, I'm in Africa, I can't use AI to make money. I'm in Poland, I'm in China, I'm in India. Us, we're in Africa. If us in Africa knows about AI and we are using AI to make money, then you can do it too. I'm sure you're watching this video. I don't know if this video gets 2 views or 3 views. I don't care, because I know I've saved someone's life. You are watching this video, you have a smartphone. Brother, you can make money using AI. If you just have a smartphone, you are the one who are seeing these videos on TikTok, these voices, AI voices. You are the one who are seeing those types of videos. People are making those videos showing how to make money, how to get girls, how to get everything. Bro, there's a lot of people who are making money using AI. And I'm going to tell you one way people are using to make money. It's content creation, bro. You can start creating content. I don't care if you have Apple PC, I don't care if you have your smartphone, as long as you have CapCut, I don't care. You can make money, bro. Doesn't matter where you are. You can go on YouTube, you search how to make money using AI. There's a lot of people who are making money using it. So you can just go write a script. If you have a script, write a script about it. Tell AI to write a script for you. Tell AI to make a voice for you using words. From words to the script, the AI will do the job for you. Then upload it on Instagram, upload it on TikTok, on YouTube, on Facebook. I don't care. You can make money using it. In 2025, 2027, 2030, when AI disappears, your kids, your children will be asking you, saying, Dad, I heard a lot of people made money using AI. Why didn't you make money? And you'll be saying, oh, you know what? I was busy playing. I was busy watching Netflix, or I was busy eating popcorn. Bro, your children will be ashamed of you. Your children will be saying, Dad, Prince Martin, they are from Africa. And they were saying this. They made money using AI, and they are now in Dubai. They have a lot of millions of dollars. They made money. Two brothers made money. They're in Dubai. Why didn't you research? Why didn't you listen to them? Even if they were from Africa, why were they saying this? And your answer will be what? Saying, oh, I made a mistake. I would have listened. Bro, 2 years, 3 years later, you'll see us in Dubai. And you will not be surprised. Why? Because we are telling you this. We are saying AI is ending a lot of people's job. So I don't know if AI will take your job, or you will use AI to make you millions of dollars. 17 years kids are making millions of dollars using AI. Bro, you see the power of having a mindset. We posted a video last week and someone commented, said, oh, you're in Africa, you're in jungle, you're in Africa, and you're talking about AI, or you're talking about money. Bro, do you know the power of mindset? Doesn't matter if you're in Africa, you're in Poland, you're in China, I don't care, you're in Germany, I don't care. You can make money using AI. And AI is here. AI doesn't choose that, no, this is Africa, this one will not make money because it's from Africa. No, bro, you're just using your phone, making scripts, generating it into a voiceover. Pictures is generating, AI is generating pictures. Everything AI is going to do the job for you. Your job is just pressing, and you make a video. Long video, short video, don't care, post it, upload it. So guys, we are telling you about this. AI is taking a lot of jobs, and you can use AI on making money. And if you don't want, you can just stay a loser and say, oh, I didn't have money, or I didn't have time, or I was partying with my friends, or I was praying. So it doesn't matter, I don't care. So there's a lot of things you need to do, and there's a lot of things you need to learn. I'm not saying if you don't know about AI this time you're a loser or what. No, bro. Learn about AI. Go on Google. As long as you have found this video, bro, you're just trying to save you, and you're trying to help other people who even know about AI or they don't know. And if you know about AI, what is required is you need to take action, because a lot of people don't take action. A lot of people, they know about AI and they don't want to take action. They just sit home playing, eating popcorns, watching Netflix, watching these girls on OnlyFans who don't give any knowledge, and they're not doing anything. So if you want to make money on AI, stay at home, start searching on YouTube, how can I make money using AI? They will teach you everything, and they will tell you everything, because you'll not be the one who'll be doing the work, because the machines will be doing the work for you. So that's it, bro.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah,
your choice is yours, so you just need to choose. Let it be or blue pill, it's a choice.
Yeah.
And if you succeed or not, this is the only chance that you have, the time that you have right now.
Yeah, guys, so thank you very much, guys. And if you see us in Dubai in the next 5 years, then fine, bro, because we're taking action right now. So thank you very much, guys. We really appreciate. If you want to support us, even if you live in Africa, even if you are Blacks, you want to support us, you can just do so by subscribing, guys, to our channel, liking the video, sharing, commenting. We'll be really happy to hearing your thoughts on this. We'll be really happy seeing your comment, because together we can make it. Together we can fail. So thank you very much, guys. We really appreciate. Peace.